pay any of ideas GTV. This in Akuffo Addo mobia ehuye. And then move fan chain kakra. So woman ye dinner bebre, pache wati. On who don't tea, and I may never nisano. He say, the issue in the bus and I say a penny four. O move to me akasa afan who ye send ye beya. O me free have a cono. Now when ya anu ye at the ama wo how any sembia wo tima unye no e ya na se bi o wunya clarification yen sana we say e ba ntana pe fa chemi kakra say me di wo meno bebre ana pe ye ba bebo nsem bi 1 2 bi so ho bi say if ya ha say no empenifu ekuku dambi eno mo ha say na je say ni omo edi enkomo Saturday ya besinkwe memni day ya besinkwe ena empenifu clean up exercise was second takrade as before then no make sure say ade empenifu edit to akwemu so me nationwide clean up exercise na be ya 6 match ni be na je say ekromatete na efini nema no ebi anywhere no nti no Saturday Western region for yeso ye de by second takrade yeso ye de na je say oba be hwe second takrade ende ya bibia ayefa na yenko hwe videos ni bi
Meda say Church of Pentecost your vision 2023. Now part of that vision you there environmental care or a very major component of that vision. So there you there all the hotel and money moto say yakwa so yakwa chapel yesu nyame na se yam petimin so yahun so a nyame so na sem chen there na nyam no on tena na solum on tena mu nti you there ohia paale Ghana beto nti at part of that vision the whole this February from Monday to Saturday asoni nyina worldwide yetuni we so there yebema yam petimin so nti yede ho akobata SCMA first na yankotin ye you yankotin ya onye impacting onye that great nti ode yim paying politicians other churches para churches when you know ebom na mo yetu yam si wo de ye behwe de amani beto nti ye sha Monday ni launch wa ha honorable minister of Western Region minister bay onye paying bay nti ye ndɛ Saturday ye beba ni abai ye na abobom aso so nyina Pentecost onye SCMA ne politicians Muslims ye nyina ye bom ni ye hwɛ de aha beto nti ye sha so market circle but film or butel there. In fact, honorable minister launch Monday no kind there. Keep Western Region clean every day. So on the area and the jay. A pen a month for Saturday. And so no everyday business. Baby a sort of shed there won't pay matzo. Baby Juga, baby at sea, baby you juma, shed there matzo. And sana adibasan. So everyday matter. On your then you continue yari and then you jay. Yari and every day. Monko be an dream there. Every day shed there won't pay matzo.
Nintia yetu ye go market secretary ye ejumedi and say the who say cleanliness is next to godliness say ahuntie eno so ka nyamesompa ho anti say ye nyamesomfo ye ntumi ntina na ye hu nyina ayefi na efin komunipa efin ediyariba efin amma nipa apomudie ne ase anti ye hu say asese ye die hunchimu na ma ejuma na ye no na ye kirekire amanfo nyina ne se asese ye die huni anti bote potinti ya na Saturday na sese ye ba ne se ye dane di akire aman nyina se efi ekumnipa na so enwe kristonia asese wadwi emma ho se asese wudi ho huni eminti na ye nyina enya Pentecost nkoa ye ne aman empenyefo regional ministers any DDC any MCs any assemblymen any soldier for a police for fire service ye nyina na go anti wo call round so be hu se ni padom ewa ha ayi asaju medie ni ntina ewa ha
na Pentecost do pa na ignore ye no nti asa ka so motuma ka kire ankwankofo so wontu abakansan de abe wo hwan ni womboa ma medie ye ontum nkodo nyeri yale ye adechine ebekrom ana botonade ana de nam na di bibia anti bebeje bia na etum ato achim biala ya me na adom sisi a wetum aye that me sisi krom fine edwina se ya everywhere bia na bisu abotum da atum nti ayese so won na otontona ado so nsi otum mo hu dwumade ye din de se be botona ada ebomodina na nya dustbin bi si nchen adon de na pona amado kama edwube bi dustbin kasi sene da atum no abo ma nya yetum nyema akona yim ntasa ka motum aka che enuanum na wontum abaka nsa wo hwen no won so wotum wo ai bibi dam amen.
Nti no video na ye hwe na ise asofo nyina de wo mu ho agim se ne ebe ya ahoti ho adwuma no last Saturday no betumi ai den ye wi aye na aye ne yiye no nti na wo hwa asofo na de wo mu ho de agim na de ye sanke se be ka regional minister no so enam se sekeni takrade eso ni nti no wonam ha no wo sin ya no wo fa ha nti yensa entumi ene na ankasa antwetwe nkomo na so ni nyina mu no clean up exercise Saturday e course no eno ho video ena wo hwe ye movie na yenko issues ewo Ghana rubber estate enkrofo bi omo won momo su no omudua rubber ni bi no omo so de omo issues bi eba bonti last week ye kan ho asem so omo salaries ni ade no emma into omo ye worried na mum last week na nka esanka vice president esanka oba Western region has a tibu eye girl for omo factory na wo ho no na so wentumi amma na sada no sembebe na esisi ewo honom obe commission rubber factory ewo factory bi ewo ho na se omo ni French for na aka boma omo commission sa factory ni na odi sembebe to just 1D1F initiative na his excellency the president of the Republic of Ghana na Akuffo Addo odi ba Ghana memu na je se ade a koyie so enunti na omo abo apraba Western region ye woko enzima tibu eno no ewo enzima na so woko enzima ekwan ne so won my honom na ewo na wodi ensembebre etitu edwana yenkoni ye ne Carlos Kingston ahinkra ono ye deputy trade minister ono yenkoni ye ne enkohwe enkotwetwe nkomo na fo yenti ensembebre woka edifa factory na omebie na fe susuanso anase mo a edeba beboa yentemfo yewo Western region especially Tibu community no na afi dia president nyama bebe so odi gu eni me hwese 1D1F initiative no ebetumi akonkan.
So it's important for us to increase that to create wealth. And so when you see Ivorian investment here, that is also a part of it. It also adds another aspect, which is the importance of what we call regional value chains, to ensure that raw material gained in one part of a region can be used towards business in another and still count towards the continental free trade and increase businesses amongst our 54 African countries. It is a remarkable feat, and for that we must applaud the owners, the workers, the construction companies, and all that have been involved in creating this that we see here today. I'm told between November 2018, when they started, and November 2019, where they finished, they've managed to invest nearly 24 million euros to prepare this for us to see today. I think that it turns a great applause for them. Well done. Great job. But what is important is not necessarily just the numbers. It is what it will do and the opportunity and how it links in to industrial transformation agenda of our country. First of all, I'm told that as a result of this new investment, the total capacity will go from something like 50 tons per annum to 70 tons per annum. So 50 to 70 tons per annum in terms of what they're able to actually process on site. Very positive. By 2028, that will be close to 100 tons per annum. Now, why is that important? We're here on the rubber estate. Now, you may not automatically think how that links in, but that links in very clearly, for instance, to one of our strategic anchor industries, which is the encouragement of a value chain approach towards the assembly of vehicles. And as you're aware, 3 companies are opening their manufacturing plants in Ghana this year: Volkswagen, Nissan, and Toyota. Again, that I think deserves an applause.
Enti everyone no me any regional minister so etwetwe nkomo no ene wogine mudema the vice president Dr. Baumia fi say went to me ambassador na yesi omampani eni Ghana enti no went to me amba nto ma trade minister ne ba na afi o ma regional minister so e de na no sem e de bre
that a nation blessed with natural resources must not continue to export our raw resources. Exporting raw materials means you get less revenue for them, and we also export our jobs overseas. So like we are all aware, today we are processing and we are keeping 260 new jobs. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Grail and Sifka. The importance of value addition to raw material, therefore, before export to the economy cannot be overemphasized. Management of GREL has taken a major step in this direction by ensuring that every natural rubber produced in this country is processed locally before export. The GREL Tibu rubber plant, which we are commissioning today, gives a clear indication to the President's desire to transform the Ghanaian economy in the direction of greater local value addition. For those communities who are affected by GREL's operations, please use laid down rules and procedures in bringing your grievances to the attention of the authorities. And we know we have different levels of authorities. Nananum, the Regional Coordinating Council, the Municipal Assembly, the MP, management of GREL, rather than taking the law into your own hands.
Okay, so that was the Western Regional Minister, Honorable Ochre Dalko Mesa. Kobina Ochre Dalko Mesa ono eno kasa yemfi wona yenko the managing director for Ghana Rubber Estate yeneno enko twetwenko Mr. Lonel Barex yes yeneno twetwenko yentenia wakai.
Our strategy is based on a sustainable long-term relationship with our 120,000 private farmers and outgrowers who supply us with more than 75% of the raw material we process. The backbone of this long-lasting relationship with our private farmers and outgrowers for decades has been through our quality extension services to them. GREL's nucleus operation is spread across 90 communities in the western, central, and eastern regions with a concession size of 21,476 hectares. This annual production of its nucleus plantation is about 20,000 metric tons and is expected to increase up by 2025. GREL also operates a 10-ton-hours rubber processing factory with an annual production of 50,000 tons located in Apinemin in Ahanda, West Municipality of the Western Region of the Republic of Ghana. The total workforce directly engaged by GREL is about 3,412, made up 497 permanent staff and 3,000 contract workers. In addition, it provides jobs for about 9,000 workers employed directly through the ROPP to work on outgrower farms.
I had the managing director for GREL on the voice. It's in Ebusia and Menuko Bebre, young money till the letter say. Many my palm for me, almost see Kunya and Dano Pay studio has seen any or more, and she said you made you so papa, say, a new year, and any kind call and a pay our mind Ghana. And I near say beer, or maybe cast an idea with the day, dear echo. And Tina, any pin for him Kunya. And I pay me war honorable cake. Mesa Richard Keck Mesa, Honorary Communication Officer, the NDC, the new National Democratic Congress party no wono and our dano and a penye easy. And I'm so me war Honorable Fuseni, Isa Fuseni, and also a Kasamafo demand the New Patriotic Party, NPP, Western Region has omo na napemi omo sinkonya ayeni omo ebe twetwe nkomo na napede ye hwe 1D1F one district one factory initiative eyo mampeni ede ba ye no ene ye si nkonya na pe ye hwe wo region ni mu no 1D1F we hu bi wo ho no mana we hu bi wo ho no so a tisi aneti sen omuwie sen na kwakosi de na mpenifo eka ede ache no hu nkonya ene ye si we ni sen bebre a eka ho penifo me mama kwa ba
yeah enu
ana pe bia boko
yeah me che
na kopon ide
se
nyame ishu am bo ona bo keke bia boko anu pe
oh boko na ezeko na takwa de so na pe de ko ye bucket kubu so ansan na etume boy an da ma enyen su ngor aban bon nti nde ye brand san nyen su de boy
yeah, that's it. You know, your brain be say water ration me. I don't know whether it's back or not, but then yanti who say na just say shey ni say better who.
So there eba. No fear ni.
It's only there work na any kremu. It's only off and on any dum so ni ade ni na.
Who so ration and bia wo bia
Western region. Bia wo tene bia
no such
as officially protested.
So any problem
there. It's na na be denied that there is water rationing going on now. If you MP before one feel one
me say me such as had me experience
and the payment the bullet na mudugari.
And the check pipe no.
Sound because me want to pipe in ma.
One check yeah. Social media me
there's the former MPP regional communication.
Yes.
Original had how was security crowd full communication.
Me
Oba fan and Oba Jatum na ya lasting solution. He's denying that we are going through water rationing.
Busia it common no na you go say but honorable Isa.
Yeah.
Me bisa say 1D1F initiative no. President Abohu de Robebre. So currently no 58 factories and omguso omu ye hu ejuma enti no ye bisa say ne hu nsem no etisen cause Western region say yen sheda nya hu ye de ye papa looking at the research and pay me ye no na chere say Western region afi na yeguso a yen sabe to me aka ye de it in and I say out of the 58 companies no 22 of them can be found in the Greater Accra region and 11 in the Eastern region, 12 in Ashanti region. The northern part, Volta part, western and the central regions, no, each have 2 factories, while the Bono region has 3, and then the upper west region currently is having 1.
Yeah.
And the 2 factories, then
yeah.
I know of Wasamenfi sugar factory now. Omusino, that one when the regional minister came in, went there in the news, but I don't know currently what is happening.
Yeah. Before Russia said the Americano, I say yet the concept of one district, one factory, Nasi. To say entire you can't API entire etifu and I say viewers will not understand what we meant by one district, one factory. The one district, one factory was promised in our manifesto.
Sure.
In 2016.
Sure.
And manifesto no very clear. They say we are partnering with business people or individual. One or one car, what pay the way factories, government will partner with them. They are creating one district, one factory. And I say my district be a factory. So the every year based on raw materials are available around that environment. That is the promise we had in our manifesto, page 43, is clear. Say, but Western region has government of Ghana has partnered with something we call the if you go to Shama, we have one company there, they manufacture ceramics. That is what do you call tiles. And the water closet and other things. That is
Shama district.
Shama district.
Yeah. And on Keda na omba be take control.
I was part of the team. I commissioned that project in Shama district. We have an
and then one too was commissioned by the president in Axim.
Yeah, I'm talking
if
of.
You remember last year.
President Ben, and I was part of the team.
Yes.
Commission.
Yes,
I'm talking of commission.
Yes.
There were over a year.
Axim then here.
Short cutting milk away, friends a Shama Addo.
Okay.
Because Shama Addo na the ever hono now existing one now over where you that tile factory no. But we had an extension on you separate from the initial one, no. On you one part of the one district, one factory. You see, the problem NDC is having is.
No. Please, let's deal with this one day.
No,
that's a your Western region.
I will deal with it carefully, but I just want to kill the notion. I'm out for where what I can do. We are revamping, and I say, yeah, the old factories in there, yeah, shots there, yeah, painter, and yeah, one district, one factory. No, that is not a concept. And we have established that factory in American ones, and the airborne agencies say, Washamano. It's working now, currently. It's employing over 500 or something people working under that one district, one factory. If you come to Elembele district, we have another company there which is also
Fianza Industries.
Yes, it's also at Elembele. Then we have one at Axim. Then we have one at Wasa. Is it Wasa Kropo also? So those factories are
in Wasa Kropo?
Obviously, say where in Wasa Kropo?
Because Wasa Kropo is my.
Maybe you see we. I am to the NDC for I work there.
No, please.
Ewa Green Book.
No, please.
It doesn't exist.
Conversation, even though it's seen as a political conversation.
Yes, but we need to let the people know.
We want at the end of the day to get a solution to our problems.
No, the solution is that we are building them. The factories
so let's know what you are doing.
Every day you hear commissioning of one district, one factory going on. Even though we are literally, and I said, zero everything down to Western region, but we are talking about 58 factories that are ongoing or even near on completion in the whole Ghana. And you can commend the government for that because what we promised Ghanaians was that we are going to add value to the products that we are having in Ghana before we export them. And that was the promise that we gave to Ghanaians.
Okay.
And so add value, no? That is to add value to the product means you have to get something. You have to get a manufacturing company that will add value to those products before you export them to the country. And you cannot expect MPP for the within a particular short, and I say a short period of time, no, factory will start erupting and all the whole country will be.
You are in your 4th year.
Yeah, we are in our 4th year. Exactly, and we have not. Some of the companies are still in the stages of completion. Some of them have been commissioned, and some of them have started working.
Which of them has been commissioned?
The one there's a Confit a juice factory. That one is even in the market. You go to supermarket right now, you get some.
Okay.
Then we have another factory in the assembling of motorcycles, tricycles in Tamal municipality. It's working currently. You go to for instance, Casa de Ropa in the central region. It's working. The one they use potato, sweet potato to make bread and other things. You know. Also, was central region. We have another ceramics tiles manufacturing company in Tama. It's also working now. So many companies are working now. But other companies now, we have to encourage them to also complete in time. So that every year, you see, unlike other people now, their notion is to, and I said their aim is to collapse companies. We are bringing them up, and companies are surviving. We are increasing production. It shows clearly that government is a vision. One day. You must sort of an apano ne young greener past ya abrichiri akwa and I say akwa pay juma no. Ne Ghana haso ejuma abu amobiatu etunya bi eye. That is the vision of this government. Even though I agree with you, within the 4 years mandate now, what the man know will not be enough for us to complete all the districts that we promised that we were going to do. But a maximum number of districts, will get the one district that we are talking about. Mulika says so Oko Wasa is district. There's one factor that is, even though it's not added to the 58 that has been published, but it's also another company. We said this with the aid of the district chief executive company. So, but very soon it will be commissioned. And to make it say the enya agrodina abaying or promise there or babedi.
Because with this 1D1F initiative,
yes.
It has to come and then reduce unemployment.
And then more to the point, so it will strengthen the local currency because who are the value to the product that you have, the raw material that you have, to export it earns a lot of money. Raw materials no do kwa omoto raw materials na skafia bi na order more. But who are the value? Let's say chocolate. na say cocoa no add value no ye no chocolate o de kwa amano na no buedi until unya hard currency no the bar local currency that we are having today will be strengthened, and there is no way you can strengthen your local currency if your import is more than your export. You cannot get it that way, and that is why I promise you within the 4-year mandate now one farmer these are the things that we are going to put in place to strengthen the economy. Now me give say the second term of Nana Akuffo Addo, the fruit and they said the seed now yesu sisiano will start yielding fruit for Ghanaians to know that so happen. But sisiano there people can ridicule, people can say anything about the one Desokwa factory, but I'm telling you that in the near future Ghanaians will praise this government for initiating those policy. You remember Dr. Kwame Nkrumah? About how many factories did he establish? He has established so many factories. Today they are talking about Kwame Nkrumah, and those people who collapse the factories that was built by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah are the same people who are saying that one district, one factory is not possible.
Okay. And Tipacho, Mamenko, honorable Keko. Honorable, Masam Mwakwa Babi. Yeah, share 1D, 1F. Yeah, share Sanke, be reducing unemployment at a war mining.
You know, quite a copy of answer on the airport to about 2016. Say, some training pa, no, when you're Gigana. Among yes, some a back there. Campaign promise of MPP there. And one year and confirming to two. Now, whatever. No, boy factories. Member when you Jumaye. That was the main campaign promise. And you know what to one district, one factory. It's a kind of film baby. On our form group was of an unemployed graduate association. Only the ship son or a test on executives. Your friend and the various technical investors now. Public universities in our group, the MPP group offer one test con. No form them group non-employed graduates in Azi. What did they pay? What did that Ghana for? What did you two? And to Ghana for the team nation was in there district Biala. Why a map? Why a map of Ghana with district dimensions? Na district Biala Benny or Chile factory will be so. Na Yankopon in charge, and the one you two you know was someone on Casa. Though I didn't point ya ben or besio. No more a private sector no besio. Okay, fine. Private sector. No besi. Then can know when you ever cut one district to one factory. Because Sabi, I ben not to know. He was enabling private sector participation. And Kwankru would once covered the Beshaman would be factories be you gonna have. And at a time, the government of the day is carbon taxpayers' money or the cost support private sector, more the expansion or the expansion or increase the number of intake. And let me give you a typical example. Munya, graphic online, 4th March 2016, President John Dramani Mahama. Oma pharmaceutical companies $45 million. $45 million. NS Chemist, Tobinco, and what have you. $45 million. Equivalent to that time, the dollar now is 3.9. About 180 million Ghana cedis. That is 11.8 billion old Ghana cedis. The 1G. No one find so no human expansion. No one to one for more workers. And the evidence is very clear. Tobinco was on record there at the end of the intervention from essentially John Mahamano. The increase of output, of for more than 100% of their workforce. NS chemists and all these people. The bad time in Abano one can't change in the one this one factory. No mention second attack, remember second attack. From Shama to Hunter West. Drama one district one factory. But no initiative. No support of the private sector. No. Factories so well had Yabu or Shama district. There were alcoholic factory. What you Sapapa, what do call India, what do call UK, what do call US. Mobi or Makali, my permit be monetary. Baron the stories. Oh, Shama, or Indian company. Tom Mama Nabrid nobody ye be cut sort ye commission ma insan wo ma yan bi ma ekogo ma ebe yen bi ato bi e ba bi e boko biara ebe yen nsan bi ato joma amode ye de one district one factory mun ye yo le ka tile factory po onfer ami tile factory no we shame no ami joma amabe ye oba cut sort mo wa she project na asenam wo ho after 1.5 years oba commission project na mo ho.
That is not the craft we are talking about.
Please let me finish. The tile factory no, the ceramic factory no. I mean, just to promote buy what use what made in Ghana product. Maybe the Joseph cake means solution more online or UKCCR.
Honorable Joseph Kujo.
Mr. My brother Joseph cake means or shop. On no impa not Italy, this is our get in the UK. Or crafters for Italy. But okay, the motor tires I call a more should not know. Men try Ghana because I'm a politician. Men try John Mama initiative or the tile factory in Babadino. It's a common washroom, CCLA. Tile factory, tiles no one. Or your John Mama initiative with shame. Tile factory before we claim credit. When we commission the project, we also cut short for the second phase. Second phase, now what do you did there? One obey. I call me someone got saying. Share your diamond cement in baby or diamond cement or Elquagonida or forward they will say you one. Your mama now, Bredo, what cut to sort, what complete project. Your mama the other with Waka diamond cement to understand one factor. Look at the number of workers, more than 10,000 direct and indirect on the diamond cement alone. Here, Shama, this fertilizer factory. So when we talk about private sector participation in creation of jobs, then this idea of one district one factory is a failure because John Mahama now know what did I do? Or you can talk about 2,000 different companies that was established on the NDC regime who open up factories, small and medium and fun and large scale. In every aspect of this country, my boss a Kenita crowd. Every before one body was a Kenita crowd. I want to munka. Now it's down to China. The promise was that they were coming to do something different. What about create factories? Every district, mind you, the emphasis was every district. That is one district, one factory, one kind of one region, one factory.
No.
Now, when someone worries in the either na obi a no company sabi Casapreco. Etiga Casapreco, how many years in it?
Many, but me so
I check Casapreco. Why you want to do I brand said that one wasn't why establish company ma all over Ghana and even Africa. But wherever you go, you will see Casapreco product. Now, Aban. Now, come on, support Kikrebia. Now, that achievement there, it is part of one district, one factory.
Oh,
pure,
really?
Yes, pure joy in pure joy. Or fruit juice and sunazi.
Sure.
It has been there. They were supporting that to folk. Time war your friend and a coach our friend in the time. What can you your friend a super capital? This company were supporting that to folk. The company no order that though. As the one district, one factory. Company sabi you won't pour your pay in sin. I'm that has been in existence. Obi no more sweat one company na bobazi. Na abanu kona support to one. Then you come and add it to one district factory. Is that the promise you gave to Ghanaians? Meanwhile, abanu issue is on record there. Senko ya there na so wadwin part of one district one factory. In terms of resources, abanu biala in the Fourth Republic only Sudan. Within 3 years. Within 3 years, a Congo that to Ghana free and do over 120 billion. 120 billion Ghanaians. Revenue so over 250 billion in terms of revenue. Within 3 years. Now we have major flagship projects and one body no sabi John Mahama na abrodo no nya atames na abrodo. Factories are on enabling environment, government support scheme, providing other foreign technical advice and support to dominant industries. Science you or one district one factory. Can you list it? We could have listed about the whole book. A whole book, sir. factories were established from 2009 to 2017 under the NDC regime. We didn't call it one district, one factory. You promised one district, one factory. Eleba, now buy a baby cocoa, build a new factory from the scratch. From the scratch, oh. That's why you did a map. A map. Nature district to be a raw material or na yeba factory. Now, but I said, we are in the factory. Now, come on, technical support. We are coming to support another. Maybe now the back of achievement to the 58 factories.
Because
well, I said, Muniaba, damn a coffee factory now was a pure of one a coffee about the fruit juice offended. A cool juice was happening. It won't be there. I don't be there. No, cameraman.
No, because
everyone, Mamma Shaw, everyone, a fence, a anagi, a try smart.
Miss
my cotton box will hold more at that. Supermarket, a damo, what do you call it? Gimli pack, also on Friday.
Mama can say we are.
More, Uko so by you.
Okay.
Yes, I'm available in the market. So if you
because the reason why I make us and say what on our what is we are western there though.
Yes.
And now will be a grow abron say that area.
Yes.
Now so and then me share that and tinning can. Meanwhile, during the summer no President Amayeti say with the issue of rice
journalist about no was sky nala no company
yes
I'm a fan of company western there nto anya dia oya smart city na we beka ka dia
I will sponsor your station na yen fia yen fa camera nsi ando na yen ko various supermarket wo se ko na takrada na yen hwe da nemu ahe na ebenya dam eku abeda ho ekwa supermarket bi ebe wuro ha bi ekwa ebenya series ano
sure.
Even your crew of and multi-fruit. It's
available and
fine. It is not a bad
idea. I want to buy no. I'm made in Ghana product.
No, but because I don't know. But mean women that meet the CV.
Me say, you program here. You make up try smart. You call try smart. You are no. Me say try smart. Ne yenye bia. You call another try smart. Ne yenye bia. You buy no over exclusive.
No, state of the nation. There's no man for. For no, me be how be ala na da che.
Another try smart. Ma mo location no.
Woman, them rough now why you are benim na ye too much.
But some of the issues that
let's look at how this 1D1F employ the youth currently.
That is what I'm talking about.
Let's look at that one because that is the main
let me come in before my brother could mislead the people. You see, we are educating people.
Sure.
And propaganda people them no on yet.
Propaganda.
Yes, of course, because if you look at facts are over ground. You look at the and you mean me batina ha and you western region or the whole Ghana. Until 1 hour Ghana Esha will mun say my damo one day or mun research. No mun chire. Whether Ghana nim and I say Ghana no or more bakabi no more and say industry sector has grown so much. Now I have the figures here. Private sector no go for about 13.4%. In August 2019 is here. Private sector, but under them, under NDC, the industry sector was growing negative.
It's never true.
Under NDC, companies were collapsing and relocating to our neighboring countries. You know that. Everybody knows it. And it's all
Diamond
and you see, you can never
your industries. I don't know what knows.
And you see, the propaganda of NDC is exposing them one after the because figures are around. And the diamond factor that you're talking about, we are not calculating private companies establishing companies. We are talking of governments helping companies with their own money. Because look,
how we support the
concept is that I'm coming. The concept is that you have your idea. You want to build a factory to manufacture this particular product, but you are lacking of money. The government of Ghana will not give you the money physically, But the government of Ghana will guarantee you under the
guarantee
the Exim Bank.
President Addo no guarantee
I'm coming. Under the Exim Bank.
Factory na it has been in existence for more than 30 years. Another no guarantee. What type of lies? Why would you this?
But you see, the companies themselves will not ridicule themselves by just applying themselves.
Girl, man created more than 30 years ago.
I get now. No,
they said that girl is part of one district.
Yeah, because I should mention that for the next 5 years, the factory will produce rubber worth about 7 million euro. That's about 405 million Ghana cedis every year.
Yes. And then the grain factory, the grain factory you commission. A grain factory now commission. Is it the old one?
Is it the same rubber estate company limited?
The name doesn't matter. I'm asking whether it's
a company has been in existence. When a company
has been in existence
more than 20 years,
you can have the name existing for 1,000 years.
And they want to do expansion. Then you come and say that
you see. Let's educate.
If it is one district, one factory, then we have the rubber as a raw material. Let us see a different company with a different brand establishing somewhere else in the name of.
Are they looking for companies' names or they are looking at the establishments of the company?
Branding is very, very important.
So you are looking at the branding, but not the company.
Branding is,
I understand.
The fact is that Kasapreko has been as a world-class name.
So you will allow me.
So Kasapreko can go and buy a new land and build a new factory. It can never be part of one district, one factory. And because the company itself has its own resources, has its own books.
No, I understand, my brother. Let me tell you something secret. Let me tell you something secret about him. No, I'm telling you something secret before we proceed. Secret about NDC.
Secret.
Really?
Yes. Something secret. They have something, a policy, and they call it "Keep them poor forever, they will serve you."
Keep them poor forever, they will
serve you. Okay. For them. After the companies were being established by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, 360 companies were collapsed by NDC. They sold them to their cronies, and some of them have collapsed. You remember Bonsa Ties? You remember Bonsa Ties? You remember Bonsa Ties?
Former deputy regent. So far, Ghana ambassador to Holland. She also bought.
When you were talking, I was quiet.
Old factories.
When you were talking, I was quiet.
This type of lies cannot save us.
You see, you remember the company called Bonsa?
No, could afford Farouk. I don't know GNT.
You remember Bonsa Ties? Bonsa Ties. A Bonsa, a glass factory. And a Bonsa glass factory and Bonsa Ties. You remember those factories in Ghana? Those companies, you know, since you are a vibe, they signed the same name. And my company now. Next to one district, one factory.
No, is it a bad thing?
No, is it a bad thing?
Not factory.
I'm not equalizing. I'm asking. So it doesn't matter the name existing for 1,000 years.
For the safety boots for our military and police. Just 2-3 years. Kumasi shoe factory now. Kwame Kumasi no. Jama say abana kwa abana ba. Reviving. Also kwafo. Redundancy.
I say we're good. I can just like that. No,
we are looking at where this initiative, you know, curb unemployment in the country.
And that is exactly what I was coming to.
So under the 1D1F, you know, unemployment is here. How do you see it?
You remember that unemployment issue here? Or not yet? We are working.
Because I remember when we went to Wasamenfi. Now you call cassava plantation. You call the concerns from the growers. They say, "Omuni machines near there, so always they have to come in." Because last week Thursday I was at last week Thursday I was at Elembele, where cocoa farmers were complaining, say. Seedlings ni cocoa it's not coming, and then they are using cutlass all the time. But then Mr. Ankama, who is the regional manager of Cocoa Board, was saying government the machines be able to keep cutlass using the farms, you know, away. Yes, I feel no they
about employment.
Yes, employment.
And we must take note of every factory. Yeah, Nipadudwa factory no Obafawan. That is the most important thing, because factory no or age man the factory must employ people to work. And if you have example like the Pram Nengo Pram company ya establish a honomo. You have say a Osodoku company na ya establish about 120 people have been employed. We have Wager Bawi, which have about 15 people employed. We have assembling we have Adenta Municipal Assembly.
Indirectly over 10,000.
You've asked me a question, so you don't give him the attention to.
The testament is there.
We have employed a lot of people. Egisu municipality, we have company called Ghana Limited. Also employ about 105 people. These are the employment rate. Calculating in Asia, it has taken a huge burden from our economy because that unemployment graduates association, I mean, you say test confirm not, you know. It's an insult to them, but I will not even go there. Those people who were suffering, who were saying there they were unemployed, Graduates Association, we have found a solution to that. That is why we brought in something we call NAPCO. About 100,000 people at the go.
Recently they were complaining so more salaries near the
the salary is different from employment. If you want us to deal with the salary,
let's deal about employment.
So we're talking of employment. I'm talking about
employment in Ghana. Employment and employment.
So because their salary is not in, they are employed.
No, employment no be employee.
Oh no, employment is different from salary. We are talking of people who have been absorbed into government.
Why would somebody go for
what I'm saying is that
why would somebody go and seek for a job?
If you ask of the number of people who have been employed, the figure has to be given to you.
Yes.
But deal with friends and their payment, that will also be separate issue.
No, and make us employed.
That doesn't mean that when they were employed, from day one up to today, they are not being paid.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that their salaries has not been paid, and so therefore even 6 months they're not going to show up. That was a really.
I'm saying that is a different basis altogether. It has reduced employment rate, no matter what. No matter what, it has reduced employment rate. Then we come to the youth employment sector. The number of people that have been absorbed. Then we come to
unemployed doctors. Unemployed doctors. Within 3 years, one to post one.
No, you see.
Unemployed nurses.
Because you have people who were sitting in the house since 2012. 4 years of your mandate. Remember, 4 years of your mandate, you've not been able to employ every single person. And it was dictated by the IMF that you should never employ anybody into the public sector. We were sitting on it. We came and we left the embargo and started employing people. So I would have been. No, I mean,
listen to me. I can give you a plan.
No, you see, you have a laptop on your lap.
I can give you a list of
just Google.
Executive members.
What I'm saying is wrong.
When we were at school 2015,
you see,
us at 2016,
you've been exposed. And then you have to tell them again. Because we have to tell
a lot of Ghanaians were employed. Also, IMF, we were not employing. It is a lie. Every year we're employing teachers, we're employing nurses, we're employing.
Just Google a IMF put embargo.
2016. Nurses are here for 6,400 in 2016.
So which one do you want to? Do you want it to?
Google it.
Which one do you want it
to? And I don't blame you. I blame our communication department at that time.
Oh.
No,
one parliamentary presidential aspirant.
Even 2016 of November.
2016
financial clearance more than 20,000 nurses. Put you on hold. After 1 year, then you come and release the same list.
I thought there Kabama program here chorus. But the way you are behaving.
No, but I won't sit here for you to lie.
No,
but you have been lying in opposition to power. Now you have the power, you are still lying.
Why am I lying? What am I lying?
Are you saying that John Mahama, before he left office,
what did I lie? What
didn't give financial clearance for nurses? Over 20,000.
It's obvious. You Google, you get it.
Yes. So Inima.
Oh yeah, obvious.
If you put it on hold,
Today,
2017
we are independent. We are not under IMF.
Oh, come on.
And IMF cannot dictate to us as to what we should do. That is what you people were under. You told Ghanaians that the economy was erupt. The economy was broken down.
So President Kufuor, when he went to IMF,
everything was left with bones. And to say, I know,
President Kufuor went to IMF, not the Ghana economy, no,
when? Which year?
2007, no, IMF.
Yes, of course. We came to meet an economy that was so bad to the extent that. Yes, of course. Now you're epic. Now you're moving on. We left IMF 2007, and you came 2009 and took us to IMF again. IMF. Which year did you go to?
I'm a year near IMF.
IMF muko year 2009 muko.
Nabi.
Yefim no two.
Oh, Mamincho.
After what by no yefi IMF no. After century.
We went from
what century year no announced that they come back to IMF.
2014 to 2015.
What did you go to IMF for?
The program was just 1 year and a half. To end. IMF program for 1 solid year.
No, let me admit.
Extended 1 solid year.
No.
I don't hear the bond.
No. Let me admit today. Talk 1 year there. No, admit today. No, 1 year there. If you, I hear them no can. Why did you even go there in the first place? We went there for policy credibility.
Yes.
It means one kasa amambuna epuno and tumbu ye that kasa obi nsem de onche obo se obu Ghana man. Same person is telling us there.
So why did Ekoku of tennis Christ ban? Oh, it's not make Christ ban. Busum bia wo your contribution. Your contribution. Na say SD yen wona afutu wo won dem bia re ya hu. Oya de bona. We have been contributing to World Bank and IMF. So if we have challenges in our economy and we want them to assist us with the foreign support to make our system credible.
Many I could say IMF or your 5-star hotel like that you are. Or yeah, on your charity home. What is
the Bobby was say the 1D1F is not working at all. I think government should do something about it. If say the person trying to say 1D1F ne ejuma intervention say be ankofo no ne omwesisi ano say omohwehwe initiative ne nkoso
no ejuma say oni bi anipa ko no o kana mentia say ejuma say companies na ye kan no are not in existence.
Oh yes, no see enyeju because he is not seeing the reduction in unemployment. So that is what he is saying. That's a concern from him. Yes, that's a concern.
Anyway, that's no honorable opinion. I won't be good.
Why no one shall be fun when you can call no better over.
Oh, I am no mama. We don't have babies with aptitude. And the way I manage issues.
What you are saying is say unemployment has been kept.
I'm not saying so. We have reduced it to the minimum barrier because
it has increased.
Because we don't have unemployment.
What about
we don't have
for Marco school school no this me pacha me ba mama NAPCO dey ebebo me now if NAPCO is supposed to end this year what's the way forward?
Good. You see NAPCO ebe no ya mfa NAPCO amba say ya baba employ one permanently. You had one by tertiary institution now you absorb one into the system now. You had one by to get knowledge. In various sectors, I don't want to echo go. Say that every year, our institution be a one copy so there 5 years experience, 2 years experience, who will be a for only be a yantum forward. Until when you that experience, as I'm talking today, most of them FE, NAPCO, Sisiala, Ako, near permanent works, I will be a vacancy about the horses, because well feel. That's what can say.
I'm giving you my time. Give me examples of those who have been employed.
I'm a program.
Oh, give me examples. I'm giving you my time.
If you want, I'll give you a contact of the NAPCO coordinator. They will tell you the vacancy that has come.
Because people have done their job because it's not sustainable.
And even their salary you're talking about
has been increased.
Yes, to 900 Ghana.
Since when?
Just beginning of this
year now will take effect.
Yes, to 900 Ghana cedis.
But it has not been taking effect.
Yes, this month that is going to take effect.
This month, March,
is going to take effect.
Okay.
So, it's a step.
Because I'm talking the issue of NAPCO because I think early this year there was a gathering be at Takrade Library where we interviewed some of the NAPCO beneficiaries where they were saying friends say wako engineer, but the when NAPCO will place you, no, would it be an engineer?
No.
I did the interviews myself.
No, what you did?
For TV.
No, you see, the problem we're having is that if you interview the guy, go and interview those who are doing the placement. Let me tell you, there were various models in the internet. You go there and choose the model that you feel that the course that you did. I'm coming. I'm coming.
What was explained?
You see, they did a lot of
models. No, sometimes models.
And you remember?
I put you at a place. And your area.
No,
but at the end of the day, they were expecting say when they are placed, you benefit from them.
No.
Because
let me tell you, they did a lot of mistakes in the placement sector. After interviewing them, that is one side. Go to those who are placing them. We have one at ECMA. All the district, they have them. Ask those people, how are they filling the forms? They go to the internet and they fill the form in the way they want it. After that, the person will come and sit down and regret what he has done in the internet. Because the failure model that were displayed in the internet, no one can feel it. No one can feel it. Bibia, officer obey no. No one to honumo. It's one can answer. And to say one feel it proper. No, do one can say to be actually. Regret to say. And regret to say, my friend, my finding a year. You find yourself wanted. So the problem is from the NAPCO and then the employees. But we are dealing with employment and not the placement as we are saying. The employment issue now, this was a step in employment industry.
And to say, I'm going to ensure after the 3 years given to the NAPCO benefit. All will go.
Then we employ another people. And let me tell you the mistake we are doing in Africa.
Not they will employ another people because then I spoke to one of the coordinators where he was telling me, say, after 3 years I expire, whether they are going to renew it or not, they don't even know. We can't say anything about that because he was a coordinator.
If he's a coordinator, that doesn't mean he knows everything. It's a policy that the government has put in place to solve unemployment gap. And let me tell you.
Please, you talk about the NAPCO. Give me just 1 minute to talk about.
Okay, I'm giving
you 2 minutes. You were not quiet for me to make my point.
I allowed you to talk.
Oh, you allow me.
NAPCO.
For him, I will give him that opportunity to talk.
Just change of name.
Because when you say youth employment,
no, me pere. I don't know clear my tearful. What say the yakano argument to them no ma etfo in the fact so I allow him to
President Gufon or the bad youth employment on the bed sabi na me current MC for and was second the KK Sam no coordinator for Western region na office ni MPP office what takrade youth employment agency till time wo fi abenim no won office no wo chair workers beneficiaries wo chair on table do and this aban na ye be funny ye man legal backing. May you introduce new models konyi pay intent. Only graduate to where school 1 year juman. One kwanu worker shema. Obi me chiade, obi mo cook for one office, fire service gapo na ade. Them same model in Nana Akuffo Addo be president. Obe change model ni also offer NAPCO. Onya de bon. Na no kwala wo mi dey one test con food MB before one day. What about was screening one? No, we'll push one to various key positions. Ordinary Ghanaian, they say, engineer, no one got to your phone and a classroom catch yadi, a friend of pharmacist, classroom catch yadi. Nana, no more whole one up going in there. I branch about where your school. Never having a pollution. Why shouldn't walk to school? I know you do my permanent job. Oh, yeah. As there, be create a job. You didn't create a permanent job. In terms of job, there should be allowances, there should be salary and contributions to Senate and all. NAPCO, they don't pay Senate contribution. As a 700 Ghana mama, on your one, overhead then, about Fukala, Kujuma, Busuni, about to the Benedi. Niya, Africa come out to them, no salary, ni allowance, Kakadaman, and more credit 3 months. Most of them are even default, they are default every quick loan.
They are not the only people. Say, teachers and almost salary. So, what is stopping this government?
What is stopping this government after getting a lot of revenue, and they go about to 120 billion.
Yeah, sure this worry about that one this year. Yeah, you know, coronavirus issue. And abandon no because it's in Nigeria. Yes, no.
Oh, coronavirus. Oh, no, the about a bit to what this guy says.
No, very important. Especially students from more China, no.
Yeah.
I don't remember because their parents are crying.
I'll just use a minute. Just a minute to the bat and then continue with the coronavirus. It's not being fair to the listeners, and sometimes I wonder how politics because we have a period of time up ama they were sacking workers because of the perennial doomsa yenye ama amount for equity na fie abambi aba enye ye kura otum efa mbabon 100,000 there
it's not supported by
a step.
It can never be 100,000.
Not that no. The youth employment he's talking about was initiated by a particular government or MPP government.
35,000
the youth employment they are okay one over strengthening obi no nya adwene po or share that policy no or the two there fam babu no we who buy a good 8 years. Good 8 years ningina and she share papa na awa adwene outside the box there a year to there employ nkofo wa adwuma ma obanya adwuma ye. You see, so when you argue this way and listeners look at you as MPP NDC guy, now when who she share pa e de to ho say na e be fam babu no wa adwuma obi abaye o say enya no o say enya permanent job wo buy no she share be na awa ya e fam nkofo port expansion. You see, let me tell you, port expansion is a permanent job. When the construction goes finished,
it's over. Employ a lot of workers there.
What I'm saying is that
gas processing plant, it has employed a lot of engineers there.
As I'm talking,
it has given doctors and nurses schools and
just execute that for listeners to know that
you
see, in the health sector, a commission job on health sector. You see, it can employ more than 10,000 nurses.
I
don't want to come.
What he's talking about, what he's talking about is what they left. Is that not what he's saying? You've been given 8 good years, and now you are telling me the legacy you left could have employed people 100,000. What were you doing for the 8 years period?
We were running
the 8 years mandate that we got to you. We have not spent. No, I know.
In 8 years, they couldn't do anything.
No, I'm telling you.
Expecting that.
That is why we are doing it. Within 3 years.
A lot of e-block schools have not been commissioned.
No, what I mean, no. You are bringing the fair argument. What you are talking about is employment. And what I'm saying is that within 3 years, what we are doing, is what they are telling us that they were about to do in 8 years. So the 3 years mandate that they gave to us, the 4 years that they gave to us, we are doing wonders that they've never done. In 8 years, you understand? Okay. So 8 years compared to 3 years, and you are telling me that there's 8 years you haven't finished, and therefore you were about to do what we are doing in 3 years.
I've given you instances.
Logic doesn't take it.
I've given you instances of real jobs.
Real jobs you are talking about were about to come on street.
No, we gave it to them. I can't do that processing planting. I got no food anymore.
Let me go to because you've lost that argument. So no, the coronavirus that you are talking about. Coronavirus. The coronavirus you are talking about. Ghana.
Coronavirus.
Aban atu anamon. Na anamon a otu you know. I'm say the former health director.
Okay.
Dr. Nsemsem Asare. Omo set up committee on no that committee na no. Said the ebeya obahwe nhihye wodo to ama that virus no ontumi amba Ghana na government so located a rich hospital plus other hospital be Tama Ghana hospital. These 2 hospitals, now what they see what they should in case of anything suspicious. One father munko for no enko hono na one check one. Now we check and say be detection no we most suspect be no mo here research and then test na ya one institution be a friend and no go chi a research institute also a hospital we go hono mo akwa test ne pa na blood no wa hwe na say anything be ala obaye bia na wa ye. The government is also activating something we call the rapid response team. I know or that variable. No, he has activated that particular team. Oh yes, they've done it within. If you go, you will see those training now. Why you import them a call and net to do. You will see all these things that I'm talking about. Our setup. He has trained some of the nurses on how to handle cases of such nature. Now, Mama backup pursue some of the 4 hospitals. Our mother I see almost in case of a hano problematic and I say they can move to the Kwalabo Teaching Hospital, they can move to the police hospital in Accra and all this. So now that they are setting up the regional base level, now we are training even district level, the activated rapid response team now, they will activate it in every district. Say the EBA, say those people will know how to handle the case. You know, it's like previously the guy who something we call Ebola. Ebola virus or by the way I know or transmit it so fast, damn na issue oti. To say how to handle it. We are nurse and I say we are doctor over handle the case, and 3 years na one kasa so acquire affected. Until adeso why there wa ben ha na Nigeria na yesterday one record back one case ebi wo hono na ne pako no so a quarantine ne pako no say mat there ne pako na escape from the camp. Or threatening for there if they don't pay some money to his family, he will spread the diseases. And I did be a threat to Ghana because of open here. And so because of that, now Abansu Asan Frere, the immigration service, the customs division service, they've called a friends a GRA, the Ghana Revenue Authority. One a team now where you on borderlines and other thing to intensify scrutiny on certain areas also for today na illegal immigrants are what by inside the to protect the citizens from attacking that virus and I say getting that virus until or no international airport set up another machine be then you pass through that machine, it will scan you and then you go through screening before then every time I enter Ghana. So those things have been put in place.
So are we safe now? Like you say, safe?
Yes, for now, the measures they are put in place, and I have that confidence there. Or nyadia, yes, what happened through negligence, but I shouldn't expect those people to be negligent enough to allow those things there. Just because of their own selfish interest. To me, the same measures have been put in place by the government.
Yes, my coronavirus issue. We should be worried.
We should be worried as a nation on this coronavirus issue. Even the advanced country, if you have traveled all over the world, when the countries we are also from an advanced country, their healthcare system is well planned, with technical, innovative machines and well-trained personnel. Even at them, look at what is happening. Italy, America, all those places. As you know, if you don't China, I'm going to one answer. But maybe we're doing international case. It can happen anywhere. In our next door neighbors, Nigeria have had a first case. Fortunately, the person is not a black guy. Or a foreigner. And I'm yet to find out a black guy when you virus in the what I come them. That is the only advantage. But other people are saying so many things which has not been tested, proven scientifically. But Munya, abandon share to them. Mpay no other year body mama coronavirus number. They didn't know why you know keke. Cholera keke. Outbreak oba. Hospital wunyam pa mama famandado. Meanwhile, so aban bi wo always see hospital sir. Wa kadebo commissioner ma afa nkofo mo wa yeduma o. Enkaya ko yen kolebu ya ye the most for na well resource medical facility wa Ghana ha. And there ko one was the quarter no bed, the quarter plastic chair. Na bet them no wa hwo. You see, there's such a situation when government officials come and while you want to there, they are ready to fight coronavirus. I don't know where it is coming from. Ebola bear now. Ghana for Ebola, my Ebola. That is not what we are seeing here. But here one pair the mom and pay an Ebonaya. Obi biara, never suspect any signal be out there. Or between why a friend and a year, or between why carry such virus. We should deal with that individual. So your man paying put about Ghana. Na yen with science be one. Na say or they quarantine now, and many young quarantine and I don't know. Now appointees no need to cook. Because he has traveled a lot of countries, about 4 countries within this short period. And all these countries are going now. There are cases of coronavirus there. And the sad aspect is that this virus can be hide in your system for over 2 weeks. Since I'm watching within 20 days, it can hide within you. Until I saw you. Until young man paying yet to say maybe I will be an on track. I continue to unnecessary travel. Wait to quantity for Subiaramba woman Ghana. On travel, number of better if you non show leadership. On direct affairs. One really discuss to Ministry of Health. No one can uncover various part of the country. It's not only Koteka International Airport. We have a Libo border here. We have a flower and other unapproved routes are Figana, how call no waba. So we should not concentrate on Kolebu Koteka alone. On man paying on China trip, the number to nephew, non coffee, send Biara from Brain. I want to pay the no. Mean penny for a year breno, and then I starting them and Tinambeno so a year. Ejuan and Nessa. Eti, yes, sorry, so nice. Say, share your final words. They make us a Jumedia way, Jumedia. Ye decent a bear unemployment bet to me a call from send a bear school winsome, a bet to me a quay, a pomodi winsome, a bet to me a quainty penny for the better now saying, and only a young say now, because it's not easy to have them. And I'm a brother pants or more, but you know, almost say, baby, or no, me to me, I responded to send a bear, or more crying and him say, or mamma assurance, yes, sorry, so no. Now, ye share your final words. Amode my and then we are in election year too. Number banana air sorry so. Assurance banner mode air my.
Oh, assurance there. Me assure there election year be our baba Ghana ha na e no there the biliba. Me no ya what na he me no ya yanko. Me ngin say kumi baba me sorry say me kwa then ekobo no. Me ngin say ono so be same to me. But Sagana for your shots there as if there yet na ha ya argue disagreeing on so many things no or ya ntakwa yelba abakwa na perception no escalate quality dama eyina no akwa hu apado ba bibia eni hono mo a obaba Ghana o ya adwonkyere na ye nyina ye kwa akwakire na adwonkyere no so aye kwa akwakire no so o kire na se ekwa eyi one side na ya afa ne dama la okwa the other side so na ya afa ne dama nto ya politics na ye onya de bia why ekun anase adebia yele kwa kofa kogia na ade nyina ekwa na ekwa
honorable cake okay obisi me bisa say adentina I mahama all slash la himfoni ade no it's like ma ahimfo no or introduce ahimfoni into politics
no mean there ekrobia wonura
okay
nti ekrobia remu na ekezi dwumedi biara na o de nyizi eze man na man for wo ho eka strong one akonja ansa na aboy wura kro no mu na akoye ze ye bia nti o just respect our ma na man for until da abani yo de wo se ko na takra da de se kuna ye yihin ba ye wo ban ba wo ho pay for abokro ma on the MPP ubiara mfa na nyan chese kwa yinfe bodo ke che pay for am vise kwa yinfe won fa bubiara Mexican traditional council until you have an introduction. Now, you have a final year in there. Next month, it is scheduled the electoral commission will be voters registration. No, what's will procure them. Unfortunately, maybe work for them machines here been coronavirus this week. Machines near find machines in public cancer. In this special time, coronavirus.
No, and the man can register to her.
No.
I'm not going to Mrs. Machines in the public Ghana. Even if someone fell for China, people have to gather queue. A national identification people have to queue, gather, hold each other, and follow the queue to go and register. And we have this epidemic which is killing lives at stake. Why can't we suspend the idea of creation new register?
No, he's raising a concern.
You are no who said Mama Kenny and Okara can.
Master America, Nimpan no wage money, ye. Health expert catcher in there. In cheer point, you change in Ponism now. You sanitize this baby, and you share there. Yabo and sound to prevent certain things happening to us.
So how does that have to do with
equipment? All sophisticated machinery in their health sector, they cannot control this. In China, we are very vulnerable. So what I'm saying there, your machines in Po, what's the next month registration? The machines in the back. Are we going to see people queuing, holding each other just to go and register in this space of
and enjoy church enjoy diabolic mama kanu nyina no diabolic
afani afenyina achira wo mo adwene nyina ko wie ne se Ghana enkan ko ene ye nyina ye hwe ni mu se ye nyina ye sa ebe de betumi aka empenfam ni omusi nkonwa na pe honorable Richard Kirkmains ono ena oye kasamafo edema the NDC party Western region hase ena honorable Isa Fuseni ono so former
honorable the honorable title I have not gone for a national election.
Doctor. To Western region has no Casadema NDC party and also honorable. I'm a man for what on Galamsey excavators in Chaka honorable and Kenny and be a couple of honorable. I'm on excavator.
Also honorable Beata. Also honorable Beata.
Part of Western region and a penny musim kunya. I knew more pension same money a day. I did them show us near what say we they show coronavirus said there was a way and I feel other 1D1F so there was a one so we and I pay there was clothing me I'm wife a busy palace boutique no and kind and why me so a front from beauty village or Lagos town on ma nyami shop be aso nya e bread share wo bibia wo share live on Facebook bia no nyami won shop be di e de Nana Akuffo Addo mo wo tina e be sense I ideas do